there you have it, folks. We have a disaster that needs to be fixed. Did Missdiyzw come through as she said she would? Let's take a look. You heard it from Missdiyzw, guys. We have a crisis in the house. There's a dress that needs to be made and I'm here for the job. So you heard from Nash's story. Said. And I hope by the end of this video, her life would have been changed. So let's head to the workshop and get this dress made. Let's go, boo. So this is the fabric that we are going to be working with. This is Nash's fabric. And in order for us to get this dress made, we are going to be using this dress as a template. This is a template. So let's get this work done. So we have the fabric that we're going to be using to make our dress, and we are going to be using this dress as a template. So we are going to make a bodycon dress for Nash. It's going to be green, it's going to be gorgeous. So we're just going to lay this dress on the table like this. Make sure it's nicely lined. So we're just going to grab our chalk and we're going to trace out this dress onto our fabric. So now we're just going to trace out also the armhole, and we're just going to be careful because we want to get everything right. So we're going to also trace out this side. So we have our dress traced out. Now we're just going to grab a couple of pins and pin everything down in place before cutting. So we have everything pinned down in place. Now we are just going to grab our scissors and cut this baby up. So right now we're just going to trace out our sleeves. Yes, we're going to trace out our sleeves. We're just going to start with this side. And we're just going to pin everything in place. before cutting, obviously. So we have made our sleeves. These are our sleeves. I traced out the first sleeve that I made for a second one. So we have our sleeve, and then we have the main body of our dress. So now we're just going to head over to the sewing machine and do a basic zigzag stitch and finish this off. So I have pinned down because I want to hem the neckline so that you can have a nice clean look. So we're just going to do a basic straight stitch. Straight stitch, people, just a basic straight stitch on this neck. So before attaching the sleeves, we're just going to do a basic zigzag stitch to secure the two pieces, and then we'll attach it to the dress. Let's go. So now it's time for us to attach our sleeves, and for me to do that, I have marked this midpoint with my pink chalk. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pass this through here. So this sleeve is the right side out. So you're just going to pass it through, and then you're going to make sure that your midpoint, make sure that your midpoint is aligned nicely with the seam line here on your shoulder. So we're just going to do that. Everything is attached, and once this is done, you're just going to secure it with your pin. Don't hurt yourself, like so. So what will happen is these two seams, one from the sleeve and from the dress, will also align. And then you're just going to secure this with your pin again, and then you're just going to secure the rest with your pin, and then head over to the sewing machine, do another zigzag stitch, and we are done with this project.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.